Well, the Birmingham Zoo is now open for business. The zoo held a soft reopening for members earlier this month before opening to the public. And there have been several changes made to keep visitors and staff safe. President and CEO Chris Pfefferkorn joins us now to talk more about how things are going since the reopening. Thanks for your time this evening. First, I wanted to ask you how the coronavirus continues to affect day-to-day operations at the zoo.
Well, yeah, we have to make sure we ensure the safety of our guests, the staff, and the animals. So following the guidelines that are out there, like social distancing, one-way pathways, increased sanitation and disinfection, and compliance with the City of Birmingham mask ordinance are just some of the ways we're trying to do that.
How receptive are you finding folks that come to the zoo to these precautions?
Well, the folks that visit have thanked us for being open. They are very grateful to have a place to go to enjoy some family time outside in the great weather we were having before this week. And we've had some really good positive feedback of people that have visited their zoo. They're very happy that it's open.
Yeah, because not everybody feels so friendly towards wearing masks, for example.
Well, that's correct. And that's their choice. We just are within the city limits of Birmingham, and we're going to follow that ordinance. And we have seen kids of all ages and parents and grandparents. Everybody that comes to the zoo is complying as far as we see. They've been very happy with what's going on at the zoo and just really, really pleased to be outside and be back at their zoo.
Now, we're told you may have lost a couple of animals due to natural causes. Overall, how are the animals faring through all this? And by the way, sorry for the loss.
Well, thank you. Matt, our Komodo dragon, and Tadpole, our hippopotamus, were two very popular residents. Tadpole had been at the Birmingham Zoo since 1979, and there's a lot of people that grew up knowing Tadpole. You know, there has been very few cases of transmission to animals, but it has happened in a couple of cases. So that's kind of an unknown for us. And that's why having safety precautions in place is also very important to help protect our animal collection.
We talked about the animals and folks that come in. What about the kids? Because don't you normally hold a summer camp? How has that changed?
So we still have our summer camps going on, but we limited the number of kids that could attend our camps. We did that so we could maintain social distancing and keep the kids with their own camps and separate from each other in different camps to kind of not have them mingle as much as they normally would. But the program for the camp is still the same. They're using the zoo, they're out in the zoo, seeing the animal, doing the activities that they normally would do in the camps. We just have fewer numbers this year.
And also, when you closed down, you instituted some virtual programs. Will those continue? And did you find value to continue those?
We did. We held a teacher training workshop that was attended by teachers from around the world. I think it was 7 different countries that teachers took advantage of that training. We've had great feedback on our video programs and some of the other things that we've been doing. So we're working on a virtual program right now to be able to carry that into the future. Not knowing what's going to happen in the school systems, we want to make sure that we're still that resource for folks for conservation education in the community.
Chris Pfefferkorn from the Birmingham Zoo, thank you so much for your time tonight.
Thank you.